you can solve this question, that means you're ahead of most SAT students. So let's check it out. Function g is a quadratic function. The graph of y is equal to g of x in the xy plane, has a vertex at 2 and -5, contains the point 1 and -7, and has a y-intercept at 0 and c. So let's write the quadratic function a times x minus h squared plus k. So basically, if this is the vertex, then we can write it like this: a times x, h is 2, square minus 5. Okay, we know that. And contains the point 1 and -7. So if I substitute these numbers, -7 is going to be equal to a times 1 minus 2 square minus 5. So let's find a. 1 minus 2, -1, which is 1. A minus 5 is a -7. Then a is equal to -2. So we found a. And has a y-intercept at 0. So if I give 0 to x, what am I getting? Y is equal to, we found a, -2 x minus 2 square minus 5. So let's give 0 to x. So it's going to be -2 squared, which is equal to 4, times -2, which is equal to -8, minus -5, which is equal to -13. So c is -13. The graph of y is equal to 3 times g of x. Okay, so, and has a y-intercept at 0 and d. What is the positive difference between c and d? Okay, so we have this function, right? So let's multiply it by 3. So that will be 3y, which is equal to 3 times -2, -6, x minus 2 squared, we are not touching to here, times 3, 5 times 3, 15. So we have this, which is equal to the other function, okay? So let's write it like that. Okay, now let's give 0 to x in here. Give 0 to x, okay? -2 squared, 4. -6 times 4, -24, minus 15, -39, okay? Now we have d as -39, right? So the difference between -39 is saying the positive difference, right? So 39 and 13, subtract that, 6, 26. So the answer is going to be 26.